Yeah, it's Johnny. What's up, guys? Today we got this 1999 Chevy S10 pickup truck. I'm going to show you guys how to install tweeters on any car, truck, or SUV. Right here, this is the 99 Chevy pickup truck, and I'm going to hook these tweeters up, but it's the same thing, like I said, for any car. And I already did the passenger side, so that's the tweeter right there, little small speakers. And I'm gonna leave it there for now. I don't know, I might move it later. But today, like I said, we got the 99 S10, and this is the same thing for any car, guys. You just gotta locate all the bolts and all the screws and remove them. Right here, we have two bolts under the door handle, and I already removed them. Here they are, 1, 2, check them out. And I had to do that with a little socket, a ratchet, and an extension. It wasn't hard though. I mean, just go in there and take them out. Then you got to get your Phillips head screwdriver and remove that screw right there, in this case with this truck. And then just go ahead and remove it the way I did there. But like I said, it's the same thing on any car. You just go ahead and find all the screws and all the bolts or whatever, and then the pins, and remove them. And then make sure that you get all the plastic parts out just like this. You might need a little like a flathead screwdriver, or one of those fastener clip remover tools like this one right here. Check it out. This one's going to be very handy. Get one of these right here. Go ahead and remove that right there, little plastic part. Be gentle. You don't have to be forceful with it. Just go ahead and like gently remove it. Then get this plastic part right here and take it out. I was able to grab it with my hand and just remove it, but you could use that tool if you need it. Then all the wires, unplug them. Once you unplug them, grab this piece, put it aside. Be careful with it, and then grab this tool again. With this tool, now you're gonna go up under the door panel and loosen it up by sticking it in there and then pulling out. That way you can remove all the pins. Once all the pins are out and all the screws are out, you can then grab the door panel and lift it up. Once you lift it up, you'll feel it get loose, and then just like pull it out the way. But be careful because the wires right there, don't pull the wires, don't rip them. So there it is. Now you were able to remove the door panel from the door. Let's just put this here for now. Alright, now you got the door and you got the door panel. So now you can access the speaker. Once you get to the speaker, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding it in. And in this case, they are Phillips head screws. So get your Phillips head screwdriver, remove them just like that. I already went ahead and removed them. So now you can grab your speaker and just gently pull it out and disconnect the wires. You can either do it from here, or in this case I decided to do it like this. So whatever, just disconnect it and then grab your speaker and put it aside. Be careful, don't pop it or rip it. Now just grab some speaker wire and grab as much as you need. You do your own measurements, figure out how much you need and cut it. Grab yourself some of these are handy right here. It's a cutter and a stripper at the same time. It's any size, but anyways, that's a whole another thing. Grab your speaker and hook up some speaker wire, negative and positive. Then you're gonna need a bass blocker. The bass blocker, there's a lot of different kinds, I guess, like crossovers, bass blockers, whatever. Just get something to that's gonna help you and prevent the tweeters from blowing out. And it basically goes on the positive side on the wire. So grab the wire, strip it at the end, and then just wrap it around, and then do the same thing with the tape. Just wrap it around just like that. It should look something like that, when you do it. And then grab some more speaker wire and then measure, how much you need. And then the same thing, just split the ends, wrap them around each other, and then grab some tape just like this, and then wrap the tape around it, and it should look something like that when you're done. I mean, it's not hard, it's pretty easy. And it should look something like that, like I said. And there you go. Now grab these and then hook them back up to the speaker like that. And then these wires right here, they run into the tweeter. Grab your 4 screws. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Look, these wires right here, they go to the tweeter. So you hook those up to that, but I'm gonna do that in a little bit. All right, so grab the 4 screws, put the speaker in there, throw the wire in there with it, and then make sure you pull it out just like this, wherever you need it to go through. And then I'm gonna run it through here up like that, and then have the wire just hang out, and then put the tweeter right here somewhere. But all right, I threw the wire in there, and then I ran it through. Don't tighten the speaker until you run it through. And then I ran it through the boot, under there, behind that, And check it out. You can see it there. There's a wire. And I ran it through the back right there all the way up. And here it is. Alright, cool. So just hook up the wire now to the tweeter. And again, you just strip the ends, just cut the ends a little bit, hook them up, wrap it up with tape, and it should look, well, once you wrap it up like that, twist them, then get the tape them up, and then it should look like this, or something like this, And there it is, it's hooked up. Now all we have to do is just hide all this wire, just tuck it away, tuck it in, and just put the speaker wherever you want it, little tweeter. And again, this is like the same procedure for any vehicle. It's the same thing. I just wanted to show you guys how to install tweeters. Even though I did it on this truck, it's the same thing on any car, truck, or SUV. Alright, so then just grab the door panel, put it back in place, and push it down. Once you push it down, push all the clips in, make sure they're in place, and you'll feel them and hear them click. And then grab all the parts that need to be hooked up, all the electrical parts, connect them, and then just push it back into place. You should hear a click. Don't forget this part here. Yep, just like that. So once you have everything put back together, don't forget the screws. So in this case, I have this little Phillips head screw. Grab my Phillips head screwdriver, tighten it down. And then I had these two right here. So I grab these two, put them back in. Just make sure that when you remove your door panel that you remove all the screws, because if not, you're gonna break something for sure. All right, just go ahead and put those back in, and then grab all your little plastic pins. And I just have one, so just pop that back into place. Yeah. Alright, so remember the speaker, then the wire runs through there, the little boot, then under here, under the plastic trim, through the back, and there it is. Like I said, I'm just going to leave it there for now, but I might move it, I just wanted to show you guys how to hook up the tweeters, pretty much. And this truck is all done, guys. 1999 Chevy S10 has some tweeters hooked up to it now. Alright. There it is, guys. Here's one, and the other one you guys saw. We just did it together. I went to hook up some to Best Buy to hook up some speakers in the front, and I didn't hear no sound in the back. That's why I did this video. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe.